Understanding change of scenery in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, change of scenery. This phrase is widely used in both casual and formal conversations, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English comprehension and expression. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of change of scenery. The phrase, change of scenery, initially points to its literal meaning, changing the physical surroundings or environment one is in. It could mean moving from one room to another, going outdoors, or traveling to a different city or country. The key element here is a shift in the visual environment that one experiences. More often, change of scenery is used in a figurative sense. It implies seeking a new experience or environment to gain a fresh perspective, alleviate boredom, or improve mental or emotional well-being. It's not just about changing physical locations, but also about seeking new experiences or changes in life. This could be starting a new job, trying a new hobby, or meeting new people. To understand this phrase better, let's see how it's used in sentences. 1. After working in the same office for 10 years, I needed a change of scenery, so I transferred to our Paris branch. 2. Recovering from her illness, she felt a change of scenery would do her good, so she went to stay by the seaside. In these examples, change of scenery refers to altering one's environment or routine to bring about a positive impact. When using this phrase, avoid these common mistakes. 1. Don't use it to mean a small or insignificant change. It usually implies a substantial or meaningful shift. 2. It's not always literal. Remember, it often refers to changing one's experiences or emotional state, not just physical location. And that's all on the phrase, change of scenery. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is not just about words, but also about the phrases and contexts they are used in. Stay curious, and happy learning. See you in the next video.